Hi guys, Harry here from Berthon International Yacht Brokers. Today we're here in a very windy Port Hamble looking at a boat called Fearless. She's 2011 Seaward 35. Let's take a look on board. This is Fearless. She is a rather lovely Seaward 35, launched and built in 2011. She's pretty much lived on the Solent most of her life. She has this beautiful blue GRP semi-displacement hull. She has the white superstructure and a non-slip aft deck and side decks. She just had her cutlass bearings replaced and pretty much had all of her winter servicing done, and now just laying ashore here in Hamble. She's naturally got great fendering either side when coming alongside a dock. A teak bathing platform on the side with just a further ladder going into the cockpit. Over to starboard, she has a life raft fitted, and then underneath all the seating there is quite a large bit of space for storage. As I can show you now. And then just quite a large lazarette space underneath here. Okay, let's have a little look around the side decks. Although you don't have the railings all the way round, you have got grab handles everywhere, and I felt very safe on this non-slip deck. Got a windlass up here and a large anchor with locker and about 30 meters of chain. Again, the same down the port side. And you'll see when we get in the cockpit how great the visibility is on this boat, and also letting in just a serious amount of natural light, which is fantastic. So you've got a little L-shaped sofa here. Underneath there you'll find various things: batteries, breakers and storage. We'll have a quick look at the Yanmar 370s, serviced in 2022. Showing circa about 780 hours. You've got a Fisher Panda Jenny in there as well, and that's showing about 380 hours. Just underneath the helm there, you've got a rather large fridge, which is great, which I'll show you now. And just your switch panel there with all your systems. Bow thruster, large rate marine suites up here, VHF, and of course your wheel and throttles. Further switches over here for lights and other bits and bobs. You've got great substantial chairs either side that are really quite driver focused actually. Bit more storage underneath there, and then a chart table forward. Just having a quick overview. I'm just going to go down these 3 steps, which also lift up for storage. Further systems on the right hand side there. So accommodation, she is a 4-berth. Across 1 cabin plus the saloon. Here you have all the cooking facilities, with a microwave, full cooker, full gas burner, and fridge. You've got several hatches walking through, again letting in a lot of natural light, which is great. You've got a V-berth here, and then your heads with a shower and manual pump loo. Just close that back up, and then you've got further storage over to the right hand side. This is the storage I mentioned as we came down. Great for things like hoovers or brushes or anything that needs to stay out the way. But here we have it. Please do not hesitate to get in touch for further details. Thank you.